I'm Anna White. I'm the Chief People Officer at F5, and I'm fortunate enough to have not only the HR team, but now ESG for the company. I think hearing about what other companies have done, and I love Kevin's book, Culture Renovation. So I was very flattered and pleased that he interviewed Francois and I as part of the book. And I loved reading about all the other companies out there and learning things I had not yet heard to say, you know what? We can always raise the bar on our culture renovation, and there's things we haven't tested and tried. And so now we can continue to do that. Because as you know, culture renovation is a lifelong journey. There's no end point to it. So we'll continue to learn from your data, learn from others, learn from the next practices, learn from the book, and continue to raise the bar on our own culture.